We're looking at a set relating to the Chinese Empire, published in the middle of the 19th century. It's a well-known work that appeared many different times. It was reprinted, but here it's seen or found in a nice 19th century half-leather binding with the spines stamped in blind with gilt lettering and lines and ornaments, the marbled paper boards, covered boards, and marbled end papers. The title page here is Paris, 1854. It's the second edition. It's by Huck. He was a missionary. The text, of course, is in French. And at the front, we find the engraved folding map with original hand color of China. Well preserved, clean, slight misfolds, but nothing offensive. The text is sound and tight. It's clean. There's just some scattered age spotting, but here again we have clean, tight text block. And this attractive, handsome set is available now on my website, briandemambro.com.